Fly cutting roll forming machine. This machine has following advantages. 1. No-stop cutting. No-stop cutting design to guarantee machine can produce more production. 2. Fast production speed. 35 meters per minute. You can get 16,800 meters per shift one day, 8 hours. 3. Easy operation. Full automatic running. 2 persons can operate one machine well.